Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fusion windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades. It is important to confirm you have the correct sizes. For example, some models use a 24-inch blade on the driver's side and a 19-inch blade on the passenger's side, while others might use 26 or 28 inches for both. Always check your vehicle's specific requirements. Park your car safely and place a protective towel on the windshield. Now, let's remove the old blades. Carefully lift one wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Be cautious, as the arm is spring-loaded and can snap back. Next, locate the small release tab or clip at the point where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade down and off the hook-shaped arm. Repeat this process for the other side. With the old blades removed, it is time to install the new ones. Take a new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it is attached. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring it rests flat against the glass. Once both new blades are installed, perform a quick check. Ensure they are securely attached and can move freely without obstruction. Then, activate your windshield wipers with some washer fluid to confirm they operate smoothly and provide a clear, streak-free view. For optimal performance and safety, it is recommended to replace your Ford Fusion's wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice any streaking or chattering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.